Hi, everybody. How many times have you felt like quitting? How many times have you felt like giving up? Like, I'm not making any progress. I'm not doing anything with my voice. This is going nowhere. I'm trying, I'm practicing, I'm doing exercises, I'm singing songs, I'm doing all the things right, and yet I do not see any improvement, any progress. I still cannot sing the songs that I could not sing half a year ago, 2 years ago. My range is not extending. I still feel strain. I still feel tension. This whole thing just feels like a hoax. These people telling me that you can improve, they're just lying to me, clearly, because it ain't working for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but maybe I'm doing everything right, and this is just a lie. If you felt like that recently, if you ever felt like that, if you feel like that right now, then just know that we've all felt this way. And singing, learning to sing can be extremely frustrating. And there's really nothing wrong with feeling burned out and with feeling stuck and feeling like you don't want to continue on doing this because it just seems like a waste of your time because nothing's improving. I'm gonna tell you something. I felt this way a couple of years ago, and I actually quit for 2 years. I quit studying, singing, learning to sing, practicing, doing exercises, all that. I quit for 2 years because I could not, for the life of me, figure it out. After almost 10 years of trying, I just gave up completely because I felt like there was no point, and I just started thinking that all these people, they were simply lying. They were trying to make money off of people who want to learn to extend their range, to sing anything that we want. They're just lying to us to make money. That's what I that's what I thought, and I could not continue. I stopped. And what I didn't realize at that time was that I was missing one one link, one simple thing I was missing to actually elevate me to the next level and to actually let me, in my case, I wanted to learn how to sing high notes and I simply could not do it. I was stuck on an F sharp 4 and I couldn't go any higher. And I actually was missing one simple ingredient, but I didn't know that back then. So I just quit because I couldn't find it. I couldn't for the life of me figure out what that was. If I knew back then that I simply needed this one simple single thing, maybe I wouldn't have quit it. Now, of course, I came back because I simply love singing, and there was no way for me to just quit forever. So after just some time, after the frustration evaporated, at the time I focused on some other things. I had to come back to singing, and I have to get on it once more and finally figure out this thing. Now, for me, it was simply finding the correct way to close my vocal cords and coordinate that with my breath support, and that was it. And that's all I needed. And when I finally found it, when I finally figured out that there needs to be just a tiny little bit of healthy squeeze here, that was it. And that's all I needed back then when I quit. I had all the other ingredients ready. I just couldn't figure that one thing out. So yeah, it sucks because it puts you at such a time loss. I mean, just imagine 2 years of doing nothing about something that is the most important thing for me. But you cannot rewind time. You cannot go back and fix some of the things that you've done. So we've got what we've got, and I want you to simply be aware that quitting is not really the right thing to do. And even no matter how frustrated you are, no matter how you think that everybody's against you and everybody is trying to give you false information or everybody's trying to lie to you, to make money off of you or whatever, doesn't matter how frustrated you are, how much you believe those things, just continue on. You have to push through. and the results are going to come. And when they come, you're going to be thankful that you actually stuck around and continued on your beautiful journey as a singer. So that's it basically for today. I just wanted that to be a little bit of a cautionary tale and also a motivational video for you to not give up and don't quit trying, because singing is a beautiful thing and we want to be able to do it the way that we want to do it, and it's certainly possible. And if you just continue on grinding and if you continue on searching for solutions to the problems that you've got, you will find them. So don't quit, stay strong, keep motivated, and just keep going forward. Have a great day.